Hello my wavy souls, welcome back to another shuffle tutorial. Today we're going to be covering two different types of spins, two spins that I personally have had fun with recently and gotten a lot of questions on how to execute them. So let's jump right into it. I hope that I don't hit myself on this thing. Gosh. The first spin we're looking at goes something like this. I don't want to overload you with too much information, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you do it. Bounce with me on the balls of your feet. Stick out your left foot, that's one. Right here. Whenever you're ready, switch feet. And, yeah, bring the leg over. Stick it right here. This is your anchor. As soon as you land, I'm going to use my shoulder to turn, spot, 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 and unwind, right? Let your leg do what it needs to do. It will naturally do that. Big tip here is when you have that wind up from last spotting and using that left shoulder to spin you out, you kind of want to release that back leg. So as I turn, I'm also kicking to straighten out. Use that spin, use that back leg that's bent to kick forward. You can use a lot of momentum here, so that way it's like an ongoing combination. So it would look something like this if it's ongoing. 1 and 2 and 1 and ha. Wow. Last little sip. When we jump, you're already halfway turning, right? So we go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and yeah. Notice how on the standing leg, it's already kind of doing these little bounces underneath, right? Some micro bounces. 1 and 2 and. Let's go ahead and practice that slowly. The full counts would be 2 counts total, but we're using the and counts. We're using the half counts, yeah? We go 1 and 2 and I know for some people that soccer like, I don't want to call it a soccer kick, but it's the only reference that I have for you guys. So you know, like a top rock. I know that move can get confusing for some. So instead, why don't we practice landing the back of that foot? You could use it to kind of guide you. I hope that makes sense. Just from standing here, leg goes up, over, unwind. Yeah? Again, leg goes up, over, unwind. Yeah? Let's try it again. This time, let's flick the back leg up. Leg comes up, over, unwind. Again, leg comes up, over, unwind. Again, over, unwind. Again, over, unwind. Yeah? Now, let's try with that ongoing combo. So we go 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Ha. Let's try it with music. Let's try half tempo, yeah? Let's try it again. 5 and 6 and 7. Nice. Great job. The second spin looks something like this. The key to this move is having enough air to switch the feet. So I start off by turning the foot inward like this so it can scoop up with the heel. I tuck it in to round out. Kind of replace with the standing leg. Choo, hoo. Yeah? That's 1, 2. Just get used to that switch feet first. We go 1, 2. Switch feet. 1, 2. Ha. Once you get that momentum going, you are ready to hook. As soon as you switch feet, you come up into this like hook position. Here, switch, already turning, you're landing that foot over, right? Crossing, completely crossing over to spin out. So if I'm turning from this view, we go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. It's a completely 360 degree turn. Left leg comes to sweep. Keep and tuck in that heel on the right. When you hear jump, switch. From here, Let your body come down and cross completely over to the other angle. From here to here. Up, running man. Up, cross again. Here, up, running man. Yeah? Let your body come down. You're really playing when that leg comes down so that you can continue that running man and running man. It kind of looks visually cool to continue that spin, so that's my suggestion, is to continue doing 360 in place running mans, but it's up to you. So let's try it again from this. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that with music. Half tempo. Couple of points here is when you do the jump, when you're here, trust yourself to come down on that left. It's all about trusting yourself, knowing that your placement is correct, knowing that you got yourself, you can carry yourself, you can carry your body. So just make sure that those things are good. Never ever just flail yourself around, because that could lead to injury and also just building bad habits. So always just make sure that you are executing with confidence, intention, and strength. And let me know in the comments if there's any more questions. Thank you so much for joining me for another shuffle tutorial. I hope that this one helped. I hope it wasn't confusing. My goal here is to just make it super seamless and fun to learn new movements. So I hope you took something away. If you have any more questions, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.